Hello everybody, so today we're going to be going over a hip adductor squeeze. Here I'm going to grab a small foam roller. You can also use a foam block if available. And with this exercise, we are going to place our feet flat up against the wall, making sure that we are at a 90-degree hip flexion. And you could also do this with your feet on the ground, but I just prefer it in this position. So what we're going to do is we're going to inhale in through our nose. We're going to inhale for about 5 seconds, where we'll then hold our breath for 5 seconds. And then as we exhale for 5 seconds, we will squeeze the block or foam roller. Now, if you're just recovering from a groin injury, you want to do this with some light intensity, so a light squeeze throughout. Now, if you're just recovering from a groin injury, you want to make sure that you're doing a light squeeze during that exhale. Now, for those who are using this as a warm-up technique to get those adductors firing, you want to make sure that you are squeezing as hard as possible during that 5-second exhale. We'll be performing around 10 repetitions until the end of the set. When you squeeze the foam roller, ensure that you're also squeezing your abs as well in order to work on core bracing.